Alright everybody, I'm happy to report that I was able to bring it back from its sorry state this morning, and you can have a look and you can certainly see. In fact, the truth is I think this looks even better than yesterday, so in the end I guess it was okay. Caused a delay, but I feel like this is a better version of the pad. There's going to be still more material to fill in here on the side, but I think I can get this specced out tomorrow and get the pool going. Obviously the last bit was done by hand, maybe 20 revolutions, and that's what got it smooth, and it got rid of the tractor tire marks. So I'll be putting together some material from the stuff that I shot tonight, and there'll be some more uploads, but either way the pool's going up in the morning, and just wanted to get a shot of how this looks, which is pretty neat. So definitely thumbs up on the leveler. See you guys on the next video. Bye.